So I'm just going to show you how to withdraw from Watch Only Wallet on it, guys. And now I want to explain to you something first. Okay, you cannot actually withdraw from a Watch Only address. Okay, you cannot withdraw from Watch Only address. This is literally from the Trust website. Website. Now you can only access funds of any wallet at all if it is when you control the private keys. Okay, or a secret phrase of that wallet. Okay. So if someone tries to scam you saying you can access funds from a watch only wallet and they're trying to help you do that, don't trust them, guys. That is a scam. You can't just do that. I'm going to show you how you can actually do it, okay? All right, let me explain to you. So, how do you actually withdraw from watch only wallet on Trust Wallet, okay? So, the watch only wallet basically only lets you view balances and transactions. Okay, that's what it's meant for. But it doesn't allow withdrawals since it doesn't hold private keys. So what you need to do to access your funds, guys, you want to open up your Trust Wallet app and go to your watch only wallet to view the balance, okay? And then when you want to withdraw, you'll need the private key, right? And if you already have the private key, guys, if you already have this private key, what you want to do is go to settings, click on wallets, click on the plus icon, and then select import wallet to add it as a full access wallet, okay? So you want to import a wallet actually to our watch only wallet. Basically, what we're doing is we're importing a wallet with a private key. All right. So if not, you just get the private key from the original wallet owner, or it's securely stored. Okay, that's what you do. And once the private key has been imported, you just go to the wallet balance, select the cryptocurrency one, tap send, enter the recipient address and amount, and confirm to complete the transaction, guys. Okay. It's literally that easy and simple. Just remember that only wallets with private keys will allow withdrawal. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if the video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below your thoughts, guys, and make sure you